In sorting and counting our objects, we want to be sure that we keep track of that data, okay? Over here, we didn't have any way to keep track of it except just to write it down. Well, that wasn't very efficient because there could be lots of different things. So we want to be sure that we can take care of our data. So we want to make a chart. Now, there's several kinds of charts that we can make. There's 3 different kinds that we're going to talk about. This kind of a chart uses tally marks, and we know what tally marks are from our calendar every day. So we use tally marks. We could also use number chart. So you can make a chart with numbers, or you can make a chart by tally marks. So we're going to do by tally marks first. So we want to know, here's the shape, which is a triangle. We want to know how many triangles there are. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we put 4 tally marks. Now we want to know the number of squares. So here's 1, so I'm going to put a tally mark for 1, and I'm going to mark it out so I know I've used it. And here's another one. There's another tally mark. Here's another tally mark. There's 3. Another square. There's 3. And here's another square. There's 4. Do I have any more squares? I don't see any. So we tally marked 4 squares. How many trapezoids? Let's count and see. There's 1 trapezoid. I'm going to give it a tally mark. Another trapezoid. 2 tally marks. Here's another trapezoid. That's 3 tally marks. Any others? Have we used all the shapes? Yes, we have. So we have 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. 1, 2, 3 trapezoids. Now we want to make it a number chart. So that's very easy. Instead of using tally marks, we're going to use a what? A number. Exactly. So our triangles, we have 4. Our squares, we have 4. And our trapezoids, we have 3. So now we have used a tally chart, and we have used a number chart. Okay? So that's 2 types of charts that we're going to learn about. So go to your teddy bear book. Page 273 comes out, goes to your parents. It tells them about the different kinds of charts that we're going to learn about. You're going to do page 275 and 276 on the back side. And here's your pictures of your shapes. You're going to make a tally chart, and you're going to make a number chart. They've already filled out part of it for you, so you just have to finish it off. So you're going to count the triangles, fill in the last row of both charts in the example. So you're going to fill in how many triangles and with tally marks, and how many triangles with a number. You're going to turn over on the back, and here's more shapes. How many of each shape? You're going to make a tally chart. See, tally chart, a number chart. What is another way you can sort the shapes? So you can make another chart